Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something super fun and refreshing, a cute little slushy cup. First, let's start with the basic shape of our cup. We are going to draw a tall U-shaped rectangle like this. Now go for the top part. We draw ears, then we draw eyes, then we draw straw. Our drawing is complete. Now for the fun part, coloring. For the liquid in the cup, I am going to use a bright pink color for the bottom half. Very good. Now we use brown color for the ears and we use sunny yellow color for the straw. Like this. Very good. Now we use sky color for the upper part. Very good. Try to stay inside the lines. We also use the same color for this section. Like this. You are doing very well. Very good. Now we color the lid. Very good. And there you have it. You did it very well. Allah Hafiz.